Look at all this food.
Look at all the food we got.
We got some
Jambalaya
with cornbread.
Some gumbo.
And Mickey shaped beignets with caramel and strawberry sauce.
So yeah, we'll try it and we'll let you know. We're here at
Sassagoula
and
Port Orleans French Quarter.
Alright, first bite's of gumbo. Oh, it's really good. It's good. It's very good. It's nice and spicy the way I like it. Big pieces of sausage, chicken and shrimp. It's very good. Alright, let's try the jambalaya.
Good.
That's awesome. I like the jambalaya better than the gumbo. Jambalaya has a little more kick. Chicken's cooked perfectly. The sausage is really good and tender. I'll let Joelle do the cornbread and the beignets. I'll talk about the beignets, but I'm not crazy about cornbread, so it's not fair. But yeah, gumbo's really good. Jambalaya is even better in my mind, but I'm biased, so yeah. Thanks. So we're still at Port Orleans French Quarter. Joelle's going to give you her review of the cornbread, the jambalaya, and the gumbo. What'd you think?
The gumbo is a little too spicy for me, but I don't really like spicy things. The jambalaya is really good. The cornbread, as you can see, I pretty much ate it all. It's really good. It's really sweet, but not too sweet. But I also like sweet things. But yeah, there's like a little kick in it, but not too bad for the jambalaya. And yeah,
And we're gonna start our beignets in a second, but they look awesome.
they're huge. I thought they were a lot smaller.
They're so big.
But obviously, camera.
I have a big hand. They're about as big as my hand. And we got the strawberry and caramel sauce. We'll see how they go.
We did not get the coffee because neither of us even like coffee, so we didn't even want to attempt it. So
Exactly. Joelle's looking fly in her poison apple shirt, her beautiful glasses, her mini watch, vintage, so cute.
It's literally my mom bought it at Disney World 2005, so I guess 15 years ago. And my purple headband. I should have brought my red one, but I really like the purple.
Her Mickey
Mickey necklace.
necklace.
Got the Mickey earrings. And then just married pin.
Ooh.
I know, right?
Who just got married?
We got married a little while ago.
Yeah. Just before this trip.
Yep.
Did you try it by itself? Try it all by itself. See how it is. It's good. Try both sauces and tell me which one's your favorite. That's why we got extra napkins. Look pretty good. New favorite Disney treat?
I don't know if we can top the Mickey bar.
That was awesome. That's why you always use a tray. How many thumbs up? How many belt loops?
This is probably gonna be like 3 belt loops.
Oh, that good. Wow. But you love fried dough and stuff.
I mean, it's just sugar and fat.
What's not to like?
What's not to like? I guess I could have just zoomed in.
It's pretty good. I wish it was a little fluffier. It's more of a kind of like a really good donut like texture instead of a beignet like from powdered sugar is good. Let's try it with some dipping sauces. What's not like to like about caramel? I think I like the caramel better. Just because this, I wish it was more of a like acidy strawberry taste. I don't know, like more natural, but it's more bitter. It's like a very like, it's not artificial. It tastes like real strawberries, but it's a sweet strawberry, and I want more like a bitter strawberry for all the sugar and the richness of the dough, which is really, really good. It's just not as airy, I guess, as I want. But it's beautiful and fluffy and pillowy. It's really good. But I like the caramel the best, I think. I wish they had like a raspberry, like coulis, something really like tart, but sweet at the same time.
Right on camera.
That powdered sugar gets everywhere. It's everywhere. You can't breathe while you eat these things. It's good. It's really, really good. Everything about it is good. And you also get like a bowl of powdered sugar with it, so.
Why not?
Why not? Awesome, yeah.